Today we'll be showing you how to make DIY Valentine's Day gifts.
We will first be making a love heart slime.
You will need a spoon,
Red or pink food coloring,
heart-shaped beads,
clear PVA glue,
contact lens solution,
baking soda,
and a container.
First, you will need to add your glue to the container.
Now add a pinch of baking soda.
Now, add your contact lens solution.
This is when you should add your food coloring. Now add the heart beads.
You can give this to someone as an excellent Valentine's Day gift.
Or maybe you can just keep it for yourself.
Here's how you can make a cute card to go with your gift.
First, cut a heart out of some paper. Now, fold it like this. Now add a nice message, photo, or even some money.
That is all we have for you today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch some of our other videos.
Bye!